I'm Julia Elliott, editor of Metro Parent Magazine. The champion of work-life integration is awarded to a company or organization that offers its employees innovative benefits so they can balance work, family life, and personal passions.
Godlan Incorporated.
So Godlan was established 35 years ago. This year is a year of celebration for us. We've delivered business software, ERP solutions to the manufacturing industry and service those customers. About 70% of our employees work out of a home office. That's good for them in that that maximizes time spent with their families, and then they're going to be in a position where they can contribute in a more significant way to what it is we're striving to achieve.
Godlan is committed to quality of life for employees and has been adding various benefits over the years in an effort to continuously improve on that commitment.